Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we delve into the world of business innovation. Today, we're exploring the top advantages of incorporating a laundry delivery application into your business model. Stay tuned to discover how this digital solution can revolutionize your laundry service. Convenience for customers. One of the most significant advantages of a laundry delivery application is the unparalleled convenience it offers to your customers. With just a few taps on their smartphones, they can schedule pickups and deliveries at their preferred time and location, eliminating the hassle of visiting a physical store. This convenience not only enhances customer satisfaction but also boosts retention rates. Increased efficiency and productivity. By automating the scheduling and logistics processes, a laundry delivery application streamlines your operations, leading to increased efficiency and productivity. With optimized routes and real-time tracking, your delivery personnel can complete more orders in less time, allowing you to serve a larger customer base without compromising on quality. Expanded market reach. Gone are the days of being limited to serving customers within a certain radius of your physical store. With a laundry delivery application, you can reach customers far and wide, tapping into new markets and demographics. Whether they're busy professionals, parents, or elderly individuals, everyone appreciates the convenience of doorstep service, opening up new avenues for growth. Enhanced customer experience. A seamless and user-friendly interface enhances the overall customer experience, fostering loyalty and positive word of mouth. Features such as order tracking, secure payment options, and personalized notifications keep your customers informed and engaged throughout the process. By prioritizing customer satisfaction, you can build a loyal customer base that keeps coming back for more. Data-driven insights. A laundry delivery application provides valuable insights into customer preferences, order patterns, and operational efficiency. By analyzing this data, you can make informed decisions to optimize your service offerings, pricing strategies, and marketing campaigns. Harnessing the power of data-driven insights enables you to stay ahead of the competition and adapt to evolving market trends. In conclusion, a laundry delivery application offers a multitude of advantages for your business, from convenience and efficiency to expanded market reach and enhanced customer experience. By embracing digital innovation, you can unlock new opportunities for growth and success in the competitive laundry industry. Ready to take your business to the next level? Contact us today to learn more. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on business innovation. Until next time, happy laundering.